Now we're going to lead the lady into the dip. First, pull her gently to you, transfer the body weight onto your right leg. Then together with the partner transfer the body weight, man is going onto his left leg. One more important thing, as you're leading the lady, you want to lead her in front of yourself, not onto you. First pull gently and then draw a shape of a circle in the air with your palm. Thanks to this, lady is going to rotate. Ladies, remember that whenever you're rotating and the man is leading the spin or a rotation, you need to keep some tension in your hand to connect it with your body. Otherwise, man trying to lead you will just move your hand, not your entire body in turn. So keep some tone in your hand, connect it with your body, then the man can lead your rotation through your hand. And moving your hand will cause your entire body to spin. Remember to also keep your entire back straight, your body straight, flex your core muscles a bit and take small steps during rotations. Now, into the dip from the lady's perspective, you will rotate counterclockwise, starting with the left leg, and left, right, end up in front of the partner, rotate your body more to end up with your right side to the partner standing on your right leg. Then you will go into the pose like this. You're going to bend your right knee, raise your left leg, keep the left knee bent as well, and keep your hips to the partner and up. Avoid a feeling like you're sitting down. Tilt backward with the upper body and head. Avoid leaning on your partner too much. Don't pull him with you. You want to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's now focus on the man's perspective. During the dip, you do not want to lean over the partner. You want to stand on your left leg and go into the squat on the left leg, keeping your back straight and then extending your arms to let the partner go deeper into the pose. Notice that you can also rotate your body counterclockwise. Thanks to this, it's easier to reach without leaning over the partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the count of 7, 8, straighten your legs, get out of the pose, help the lady get back into the balance.